The other concern about masks, especially with our littles, and all kids and people in general, if you really think about it, is that we read people's expressions, their nonverbal cues, if you will, often come from facial expression. And many times those are around the mouth. You know, when I smile, I'm happy. When I'm sad, whatnot. So we could have a little bit of fun instructionally with this by really teaching our kids how to interpret facial expressions through eyeballs. So I'm thinking about it this way. I'll put on one of my masks here. So if I want to teach kids how to read facial expressions, but this is what's expected of me on a daily basis, then I'm going to think outside the box, if you will, and I'm going to use more of my eyes. And so if I do that, I'm basically focusing right on the kids and saying, okay, let's practice our eyes and what we think and what we're feeling right now. This looks like my surprised eyes. These are my worried eyes. These are my kind of frustrated eyes. These are my, I'm not sure which way I'm going eyes. These are my happy eyes, kind of uplifted. See how that kind of looks? And these are kind of my neutral eyes, like I'm calm and I'm relaxed and I'm having a pretty good day. Take advantage of that situation and teach that versus being afraid that kids won't be able to read our expressions. Because if we have them focus on that, they can have a lot of fun with it. So again, if this is the way we come back to school, let's not be afraid of it. Let's work with it and look at it as an opportunity of just another way to teach a new skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.